Hi, ladies. I am Deb, and you are in the kitchen with Deb. And I'm zooming today, and we're using a virtual background today. Now, we're going to be talking about what are you missing when you're organizing your spices. Okay, let's do it this way. Organize your spices. Okay, you can see. We're going to bear with me here. I have very different spices jars, and I have some McCormick. I have some regular spices. And what I have mine all in a shoebox. You can see they're all labeled too. This shoebox is perfect for me because I'm trying to get some good, where I'm going to talking about. Now, it works because I only have like less than 20 spices, so it's perfect. Now, let's start going through your spice cabinet. Let's go ahead, check them, see how much we've got left, figure out what you need. If you only have a little left, like there's very little left in this one, you can tell. I'm going to be putting this on the grocery list. Let's go ahead and check the dates while we're at it too, and get it done. Like, for instance, the other day I was making my taco meat. And I'm looking for my spices, and I'm like, oh, I'm running low. And so I know I had to put that on the list. Later on, was thinking about making a pie. I brought out my pumpkin pie spice. And I noticed I'm looking for the date all over. And apparently it was on the bottom at one point, but it's no longer there, as you can see. It either rubbed off or something. I'm looking over here. I'm looking on top of here. So I ended up putting a sticker on it that has a question mark. Now, what does this tell me? This tells me I need to replace it as soon as possible. I don't know how long this has been sitting here. I do not want to put the right amount for the pie and then find out there's no taste. And I don't want to have to double it, triple it, and everything else. I want my pie to be perfect. So that's going on my list because I make my pies every other month at least. Now, what you are missing when you're organizing your spices is, you know how they label the spices over here? Now, we're touching the bottle all the time because we're picking it up to use it in our cooking, in our hamburger meat, whatever it is you're making. That expiration date is wearing off. So what I went and did the other day is I labeled all my spices on the bottom with an expiration date, label an expiration date, 7/2/23. So I know this is going to expire, and I could keep track of it. So I'm not, say 6 months from now, I'm going to look at my spices and wondering, oh man, I can't read it anymore. At least I know when to replace it. That is what you are missing in your organizing and when you're checking your spices. Because believe me, that rubs off. Or if it's black on black with the peppercorns, you cannot see it. Now, we are doing this in our home and office organization group. We are doing this. We're going through our pantries. If you want to join that, DM me and let me know. Now, remember what you're missing, because that rubs off. We don't want that to happen. So ladies, we're going to organize our spices. We're going to check what you've been missing, and we're going to get it done. Ladies, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Bye.